Hey everyone, it's Roota here. So today I want to talk about how you can consistently generate income as a freelancer. All right, so I have three strategies for you. These three strategies have changed my life, and I want you guys to listen to the entire video carefully, take notes, and implement it step by step. So, the number one thing is when you are a marketing freelancer, you can choose among so many skills from SEO, advertising, blogging, content writing, Facebook, Google, YouTube, all the things. Okay, and usually what will happen is a freelancer will try to learn a lot of skills, and shiny object syndrome will set in where they are distracted by new skills, learning new skills and getting clients for that. Now that doesn't help anyone. So what you really need to do is nail down on one skill or one service, because when you focus on one skill or one service, you can stack your wins in that one skill. So what happens is when you are reaching out to clients, they will love to see if you have 5 wins in one service, for example Instagram marketing, rather than 5 different testimonials for IG, YouTube, and all the other skills. You know what I mean? So when you have 5 testimonials in one service, that proves that you are an expert. But if you have one testimonial in each of the service, that basically tells a client that you don't have a focus, you don't have a niche, you are a jack of all trades instead of a master at one. And they want to see that, they want to see skin in the game. Okay, so that they are much faster able to trust you. See, clients are strangers on the internet. How do they trust you? With your portfolio and with your testimonials. So you have to do a good job at getting them, and you also need to do a good job at getting all of the testimonials in one skill. Okay, so at the start, I totally get how you might want to try things out and see what you like and all of that and what you're most confident at. That's fine, but once you do, it's time to niche down. Okay, so choose one thing. Maybe you want to be like a sales funnel ninja. Maybe you just want to do Facebook advertising. Maybe you are awesome at Instagram domination. So you need to choose one thing and stack your wins in that one thing. Okay. The second thing I would say is, once you're done with your skill building and niching down, obviously the important thing is to get clients, right? Now, the struggle for newbie freelancers is, how do I get clients without any experience, right? So I'm going to answer that. The thing before that is, do not apply on Upwork or freelancer.com. First, they'll charge you for money for creating an account. Then they shut you down for no reason, because I've heard so many horror stories in my DMs. You guys keep telling me. All right. So instead of doing that, actually I would highly recommend that you optimize your personal social media profiles, your Facebook profile, Facebook page, Instagram profile, and start building value on there. Whatever you have learned in your skill building phase, you actually need to go ahead and now share value, videos, lives, text posts, all of the things that you can do to build your trust in the marketplace and to stand out. So when you optimize your profile, what happens is, anyone who is already knowing you and following you, be it family, friends, and all, they are the low hanging fruit. Okay, when you nab a couple of such clients, it's easy to get testimonials, and when you have testimonials, getting clients becomes so easy. So the goal is not to go ahead and find a premium client in one go, because that would be impossible if you're a newbie, right? So you have to build some portfolio, build some experience. So the best way to do that is charge some small fee to your friends and family and work with them, get testimonials and case studies from them. Or what you can do is, if you find in your networking, like going into Facebook groups and all, if you find someone is interested but they find it hard to trust you because you're a newbie, then you can actually give them a 7-day free trial or a 14-day free trial based on the kind of services that they want. For example, if you're doing like Instagram marketing or organic marketing, 7 days is enough. Like, they can check your work, how you write, how you produce creatives, and all of that. But if it's ads or funnels, and it usually takes a bit more time, more effort, and all of that. So in that case, 2-week trial is important. So yeah, those are my tips for getting your starting couple of clients. and starting couple of testimonials, because this will get your game going. Then you need to collect the video testimonials. Video testimonials are 1,000 times more important than text ones. So make sure to collect video testimonials from whoever you're working with, and tell it at the very start so there's no confusion at the end, okay? That you'll be expecting testimonials. A freelancer deserves a testimonial along with being paid. Okay, so get it out of your head that just because they're paying you, they don't owe you a testimonial. Okay, if you do a great job and make your client happy, they'll be more than happy to give your testimonial back. And testimonial is queen. All right, so always remember that. Now the third thing is, how do you maintain the income and the clients and make income consistently as a freelancer? Now this is one of the biggest mistakes I did back when I was a freelancer. So I would get a couple of clients and be very happy and excited, and then I would do all of their work, and then after a month one of them would stop working with me because of whatever reason. Maybe they didn't have the budget, maybe they were not happy with the results, maybe they thought, oh, my business is not ready for advertising right now, whatever it was. And then I would be left with one client and more stress, because now I have to find more clients to fulfill my income goal. Okay, so I'm going to give you a good strategy for that. Do not ever stop looking for clients. Even though you have 2 clients, 3 clients, 5 clients, you need to spend 1 hour a day still looking for clients and filling your wait list. Something called a wait list, which is basically you put clients on a wait list after collecting a small deposit from them. So basically when you are done with your current roster of clients, when you have a space, you can get one client off the wait list and start working with them. So this way there are a number of clients already waiting for you on the wait list. And so if something happens to your current pool of clients, which will happen, by the way, you cannot retain 100% of the clients forever. That just is not true. So you will need a wait list, and the best way to have consistent income is to always have that wait list. So keep doing discovery calls, keep doing consulting calls, help people, and then if they're super happy with you, they'll be like, okay, I'm gonna wait 2 months to work with you. Here's a small deposit to hold my spot. So I always take a deposit when I put people on the wait list, because otherwise they are not serious and I don't know if I'm holding spot for them and they're gonna run away at the end or not. So I always take a very small deposit, 10% of the entire proposal I put down as a deposit, and we'll say, hey, we're gonna start work after 2 months. This way, this deposit is gonna ensure that I and my team are gonna have bandwidth for you when the time comes to start your project, and we can ensure that. So the deposit is for that, for the safety and security. So this is how you would frame it. All right, so those were my 3 best strategies for being a marketing freelancer, being successful at it, and also being consistently profitable as a freelancer. Okay, so you guys, if you like this video, make sure you comment below, and if you're watching it on YouTube, subscribe. If you're watching this on IG, save the post or share it in your story so I know that my content is loved by all of you guys. And if this was helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.